Time for our segment D Street Chatter. Nimesh is with us, and he's going to give us an insight into what's happening across dealing rooms. Nimesh, take it away.
Hi, Prashant. A strong trending day for the markets. And again, we just built up on the early morning gains, but it lacks large institutional buying. That's the overall feedback. In fact, there's going to be a small market at close basket selling at a leading FIR desk. So, while we've seen 100 points, more than 100 points rally on the Nifty, it doesn't look like this is backed by very large institutional buying. That's the overall feedback. The sector of the day is clearly real estate. The index is up 5%. Stocks in that basket are up between 5 to 18%, and big move in that space. So, well, DLF was a very strong numbers, and that had a rebuff, but entire real estate basket is doing very good today. I guess the big move has also helped the broader markets to outperform. So there is a lot of pocket within the mid cap and small cap which is doing really good and chased by good flows as well. But broadly, a trending day for the markets, but lacks institutional buying. That's the overall message from the dealing rooms.
What about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
So, Rajal, in terms of individual names, the first stock is Home First. That stock was under pressure today. There was a large block, over 5% equity changing hands. And I believe one of the leading private equity investor, who's a large shareholder, is a likely seller in today's block. So, disclosures will be very important in Home First. So, that's the first one. The second stock is Spandana Spooty. Again, the stock is consolidating in a very narrow range. The entire MFI basket reported good numbers, so was Spandana. But now I believe there's going to be a large block in this particular company very soon. So, that's something to track in Spandana Spooty. The third stock is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Since the earnings last week, this stock is in a bit of momentum. And again, in today's trade, the stock is buzzing on large volumes, and there is some H1 action as well, is what I understand. And hence, that stock is buzzing in trade. And the last stock is Repro India. The stock is locked at 20% upper circuit after a large block, nearly 4% equity change hands. I believe one of the institutional holder is a likely seller. But if you look at the shareholding pattern, some marquee names are large holders, the likes of Vijay Kade owning 8%. There is Ashish Kachola who owns 4%. So, good amount of HNI holders in that stock, locked on upper circuit on the back of a large block. So, Repro disclosures also could be very interesting to track today.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Nimesh. By the way,